Good morning, chickadees, and happy Thursday. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, so our morning message, just like every other Thursday, we have our puzzles. Try to team up with someone at home to solve these puzzles. See if you can solve the riddles. All right, let's take a look at our week. So it is Thursday. We are going to be doing reading, writing, social studies, and math today. So take a look at those more closely and use it as a checklist to make sure you're doing all of your assignments. Thursday, happening headlines. Log on to your Newsella account by using your Google login and read an article on Newsella. We are still celebrating 2 students, and the students we are going to celebrate today are, drum roll, Philip and Valerie. Congratulations, you two. Everyone else, remember to click here to leave Philip and Valerie a compliment, a favorite memory, something that you liked about them to make them feel super happy. So make sure you do that and make sure you leave your name. Our flip grade for our Who Was Sacagawea is due on Friday. I will be checking it. Make sure you're listening to these 3 chapters and finishing our Who Was book. In reading today, we're going to be exploring elements of fairy tales by watching this YouTube video. And then you're going to be filling out a graphic organizer for one fairy tale from the Epic collection that you explored the other day. You are going to make sure you are filling up this graphic organizer to the best of your ability, which should mean that you put a good amount of effort into it. So you have the setting, good characters, evil characters, magical parts, a conflict, which is a problem, and the conclusion. You may print a copy of this graphic organizer here, and there also will be a copy of it on Google Classroom. You're writing today, you are going to find and read your country's version of Cinderella by clicking the link here. Once this happens, a link for your version will pop up. You will notice that I am doing the Irish Cinderlad because I am researching Ireland, which you'll find out in a minute when I get to the social studies slides. You're going to either listen or read your Cinderella country version, and then you're going to write a mini essay. Oh, you may say, Miss a mini essay. Well, the reason why I wrote that, boys and girls, is because on Monday when I said answer the prompt and just the prompt, a lot of us did one sentence answers, and that was supposed to be at least a paragraph. So today you're going to make sure you have a mini essay, which we have been working on for quite some time now. I don't want us to forget about all of those good writing skills we learned throughout the year. So your question is this. How is your country version of Cinderella different/similar? So you're doing both. How are they different and how are they similar than the Disney version? Go to Google Classroom to find a copy of this question, and this is what you should include. An introduction paragraph, which should have 3 or more sentences, a paragraph that you can include both the similarities and the differences, so like a body paragraph, and then a conclusion paragraph with at least 3 or 4 sentences. So this may take you some time today, but make sure you're giving it your 110% effort. Math today, you're going to be doing day 2 of the archaeological dig. You're going to watch this teacher review video about comparing fractions. You're going to watch this video about the archaeological dig day 2 to get further information. And you're going to print the inventory sheet and complete the below 2 questions. I like how most people are now labeling their questions so you can see the different answers. And last but not least, we are going to be starting our research today for our country. I have created a video here about my example for Ireland. You are going to need to print a copy of our graphic organizer if you're someone who does not want to do an online copy. You're going to watch videos about your country and take notes on them. You'll find out in the video that I created, we'll be focusing on the details, location, and the flag today, and finishing the bottom half of the graphic organizer tomorrow. Here we have our list of countries. Most of us completed the survey that was on Monday in social studies. If you did not complete the survey, I did assign you your own, not your own, but I assigned you a country. And we have our early finishers for those of us who are enjoying it. Other than that, work hard, keep trying your best. We're almost at the end of the year, so don't give up now. Be kind and shine bright. Bye, boys and girls.